you're bringing out the calendar in consultation with Hurriyat. Is that all of you have united and you feel that the people are following, that's the reason?
This calendar is going on the demand of the people.
Who decides it?
We decided it, but we consult all the shades of the opinion. We consult shopkeepers, business community, transporter. Recently we hold a meeting of all the stakeholders, business community, transporters, teachers, everybody. So we have said it, as long as the people want this calendar, this will go on.
Since you're concerned about the children, so many schools were burned in Kashmir. Burning school, is it a solution?
Every freedom organization condemning the burning of the school. No, who burning them? Who did the confrontation with the students? Who forced the examination on the student? The state government.
Are you trying to say state government burned the schools?
This is the same government who burned down temples in 1986 when they want to change the government. So when they have burned down the temples in 1986, why can't they burn down the school?
With your calendar every day, no relaxation, children are not able to go to school, the education is being hampered, the business is being hampered. What do you have to say on that?
Did you ask the state government? They imposed a curfew for 3 months continuously.
Would you give some room for the children to go to school now with some relaxation in near future, since schools...
I told you that it is a people's calendar. Whenever they are meeting frequently, because if you want more relaxation, they will definitely get the more relaxation. As long as people want the calendar will go. If the people will not, calendar will get stopped.
How do you view the current situation in Kashmir? Do you think that picking up guns is the only solution?
So these boys, Burhan Wani and these new educated youth, they were part of non-violent movement in 2008-2010 agitation. What happened to them? Kashmir police and security forces disrespected them, beaten them, tortured them. They did not allow them to pursue the path of non-violent democratic movement. So they forced them to join, to pick up the gun.
What is the end of this? Are you talking to Indian government? Is there any platform where you want to strike conversation with the Indian government?
Indian state, present Indian government do not believe in negotiation. They only believe in military power. Their mindset is break the will of the people, kill them, crush them. And our decision is we will resist. See, this is a freedom movement. This freedom movement is going on from 1947. So this will go on. Sometimes it will be on a high speed, sometimes it will be on a medium speed, sometimes it will be on a low speed, but this will go on as long as we will not achieve the target, that is at Kashmir, the resolution of Kashmir dispute.
Is your demand for independent Kashmir totally non-negotiable?
So in that right of self-determination, give people a democratic right. Let them decide whether they want to join India, they want to join Pakistan, or they want to remain independent. So let this issue be resolved through a democratic process.
So why don't you fight election?
Election is for to become an Indian puppet. Why should I become an Indian puppet?